So it's quite complicated to add each other on between app. You need to sign in, copy your code, send your code to your partner. Your partner also needs to create an account and enter the code. If you don't have the code, you can create an account with your phone number and ask your partner to create an account with their phone number, but then it's a bit more complicated. So I will just suggest you to copy the code in there. So then you can just you can then just have the birthday, for example. You can confirm it, and then you can just start. You can add like something like that, and then here's how you created an account in between app. Now you can then just send. So yeah, you can get more perks, more stickers. So here is the app, just have it in here. So here you have your account. Then you can just message each other. You can upload your photo. So here you can then just go and upload some photo. This is basically like a chat app, and this is just a photo between you. So this is not public. This is just your kind of internal Instagram. Then you have your internal photos. Then you have what? Then you have chat, which you can message. Then you had chat, photo, video, camera, give selfie, voice, invite AI. Know what that is. So more interesting contact. Then you can send, there are notifications, then there are themes, then there are friends. So yeah, feel free to use my code. So me and friends then will get 200 hearts. So I haven't shared this code yet, so feel free to use it. So it's AAP7PHBA. So feel free to use this code. So this is between app invite code in here. So that's basically the idea. So yeah, there you have it in here. So something like that. And then yeah, you have settings. So you can export photos, add settings, stickers, holiday settings, and then you can also purchase hearts. If you wanna, you can purchase hearts. Then you just can purchase. So if you wanna, there is 700 hearts plus 120 for $9. So you can also get that. So there you have it. So there is home. There is some sale going on. So there is your account. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. Again, you can just send photos. You can select a special day. You can add another special day, whether you first met or you went on a date, and stuff like that. Then there is the calendar. So there you have it. And then I guess there are a lot of like widgets. So if you can search, you can then just, nope, there are no widgets, which is quite weird. So if you go to settings, and when I install the wallpapers, I can tap customize and add widgets. Let's just check it out. So nope, it's not here as well. So they don't have widgets in here. So and that's just what it is. But yeah, there you have it. There are a lot of ads in here, as you can see. So I guess you need to upgrade. Ad settings. If you wanna, then you need to upgrade to Between Plus. No ads, more special features. Make your Between more special for both of you. 1+1. Use the same features when you upgrade. Ad free, so no ads. Super high quality photos, special stickers, longer videos, longer voice memos. Upload 50 photos at once. Download photos, send love letters, colorful themes. So all of the things you can just have in there. And yeah, so that's basically the idea, how you can remove ads. And That's what it is. You can also read some reviews. So 4.8 out of 5, quite good. Almost perfect, very sweet. This is a great app. I love it. Just one suggestion. Please make an option to delete multiple photos at once. We have over 38,000 photos every once. It takes a lot of time. Cool app for couples, long time user, a one-stop shop for couples. So a lot of couples actually like this app. It's true, these are not bots. This is a very interesting niche. Just like intimate messaging just for couples. So pretty good, interesting idea. Too many ads on free. That's the downside. Hard store not working. Always pop up window about sticker every time. Crashes at the inconvenient. Free trial doesn't work. Customer support unresponsive. So yeah, there are still a few bugs and glitches in the app. So that's just what you have in here. So yeah, that's basically the idea in here. So where you have it. And that's basically what you have. So try it out.